Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to hide threads on Facebook. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to customize your thread visibility. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the What's on Your Mind section, where you can post updates and interact with threads. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to access your threads. Locate the specific thread you wish to hide and tap on it to open. Within the thread, find and tap on the three dots icon located next to the thread options. This will reveal a menu of additional settings for the thread. Select the Hide option from the menu to hide the thread from your view. This action will help you manage your threads and control what you see on your Facebook feed. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your Facebook experience by hiding threads that you no longer wish to see. Thank you for watching our guide on hiding threads on Facebook. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience. Welcome